Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Tiffany. In today's video, we're doing something a little bit different. I'm going to take you guys with me to IKEA so I can share with you my top 11 items to purchase from IKEA. It ranges from kids storage to kitchen items to home decor. So if you guys want to see, then please keep watching. Alright guys, first up on my best list is kids storage. Now I absolutely love all of their storage solutions for kids. I personally really like the Trofast series. I have probably 5 or 6 of these units in my house as we speak. I really love them. The buckets are super deep. They're made out of a nice thick plastic, very durable, and they're just perfect for kids' toys. It keeps everything organized and put away, and they're super simple to pull in and out for the kids. It's easy for them to do themselves, and at 45 bucks for this specific one, this is the one I have, it is phenomenal. They come in different finishes, black, white, natural. I even think they have like a more grayish wood color now. I might be mistaken, but they have so many different combinations, and it's a very good price. I also really like the Kallax series. Now, a lot of people use these in their offices. I have a few of these in my daughter's room. I will show you here in a second. We have the smaller 4-compartment one right here. Really great for storage bins, for bookshelves, you name it. They are wonderful. And they are very good price as well. This isn't really storage per se for kids, but this is a very good honorable mention. This little kids table here, we have bought 2 of these. I've painted them, I've washed them, they've been out in the rain, they've been out in the weather, and they last. At $29.99, these are really great. Next up is kids art supplies. I love IKEA's art supplies for kids. The Mala brand in particular is really great. We have bought these numerous times. They're a repeat purchase, and if she breaks them, we can throw them away. They make plain rolled paper for kids to color on. They have like printed ones here for coloring or painting, whatever. Really, any of their art supplies is really phenomenal and a very good price, and they are very good quality. You can't go wrong with IKEA's art supplies. These are great, super good. You can store stuff. It's like a little storage bin. You can put markers, crayons, and look, $2.99. Really good. See them here, they stack on top of each other. You know?
This is awesome.
We have these. Yeah, we have the clear ones at home, but if you have a boy, this is nice. All right, next up is kids tableware. Now, over the years, they have changed the color of these, but I have repurchased these numerous times, and they are great. Super cheap, come in a pack of 6. Really good deal for $2. You can't beat that. They're dishwasher safe. If she ruins them, they get scratched, we toss them and buy more. We've got the baby bowl and the baby plate for $5.99, that's good. And then the little baby silverware for $1. Can't beat that. The kids' cutlery here at IKEA is really great too, especially for the toddlers just learning how to use silverware. These are great. Next up is kids' lighting. I really love these. I've been meaning to buy some, and they have been sold out for quite some time, but they did have some stock here today, so we're going to get some. But these are super cute. They don't put off a ton of light, but they are really adorable for any kid's room. My daughter has this specific little owl light. She really loves it. We ended up getting the little baby one to go with it. These are super cute. You cannot go wrong with these. All right, next up is picture frames. I love their picture frames. They are such a good price. We all know picture frames can be super duper pricey, especially if you're doing like a gallery wall or something. It can get very expensive, but I found this shadow box here. It was only $4.99. This is a brand new item. I've never seen this before. These are great for DIYs, you name it, they are perfect. Now they've got these plain frames for $3.99. These are better quality than the things you'll find at Dollar Tree, but it is around the same price, so you can't beat it. They have all different colors, all different finishes, metallic, white, black, gold, silver. They have more ornate finishes. They have lots of choice. Now I found these. These are so good for a gallery wall and such a great price. 49 cents? Amazing. These are perfect for like a gallery wall because the backs are open, but it's going to be hanging. So if you want to do a lot of pictures, you can do that and it'd be super, super affordable. Really good deal. All right, next up is home decor. They have so much choice here. It is very basic and plain, but you can add your own twist to it. They've got candle holders, candles, vases, lanterns, faux floral, you name it, they have it. Cute little decorative pieces for your desktop, for shelves, like really good stuff. Another really cool find was these cloches. These are super good price at $9.99, $10 for these. They're super expensive at Target and other places. It does have the glass dome and the base. These are really cool for Christmas, for Thanksgiving, for Halloween. You can put stuff inside. It's a really great decorative piece. And like I mentioned before, they have lanterns. I love these lanterns and they are such a great price and good size for $9.99. All right, next up is the faux and real plants at IKEA. Their faux plants are some of the best collection at the best prices that I have ever seen, and they are such great quality. They feel real, they look real, and they're cheap. You can find stuff at Ross and TJ Maxx, but I'm telling you, they're not going to look as good as these faux plants. I was really blown away by these three plants in particular. They looked so real and they felt amazing. The flowers looked like real flowers. The leaves looked real. Just really good stuff for $5.99. This is probably one of the, I actually feel it. It's really nice. It feels like a real plant. It's $15. It's really nice. It's the best faux orchid I think I've ever seen. All right, now on to the real plants. IKEA has such a great collection, and they are really, really great prices. If you have a green thumb, then that's awesome. I cannot keep plants alive, partly because of the sun exposure in my house. It's kind of dark, but IKEA has some of the best prices, and the plants always look so good. They are well taken care of. They're not overwatered. They even have these really adorable little cactuses in a 3-pack. So cute. All right, next up is dish towels. Now I have purchased and repurchased so many times from IKEA. These are 79 cents, but these aren't the best ones in my opinion. These ones right here, they're a pack of 4 for $2.99, guys. This is the best deal. They hold up well, they wash well. If you stain them, throw them away. Like, you can't beat that price. They come out with new prints all the time. You just really, if you try anything, try the dish towels. You won't be disappointed. All right, guys, next up is glassware. I love IKEA's glassware. We have these exact glasses right here. They are so pretty and such a great price for a pack of 4 of them for $4.99. Here's some more colored glasses if you need some colored glasses for the summer or you just like the color. These are a great price and really good quality. We have these glasses here as well, super thick. We've bought 2 or 3 packs of these because they are just phenomenal for $5.99 for 6 of them. Great deal. All right, next up is dinnerware. We love the dinnerware from IKEA. We have 3 or 4 sets ourselves here at home, and they come in such pretty colors. $3.65, 18 pieces, really, really good. Like I just said, 18 pieces for $39.99 is a great deal. They come in different colors, different textures, different patterns, different, shapes. These are really great and really good quality. 18 piece, 34. Yeah. This is real nice. It's kind of matte. It's nice. All right, guys, last but not least is the basket storage. Now they have some really great baskets. These are perfect for pillows or blankets, and at $9.99, that's a great price. I thought this one was really pretty, again, for blankets or pillows in your living room if you have a more modern aesthetic. These are really nice with the faux leather handle and very, very big. Now these bins are perfect for the Kallax series or any kind of cubby storage unit like that. They're really good price and really well made. This is a basket. Look at that. It's huge. Now this basket was amazing. I would have bought it if it matched my home decor, but you can fit so much stuff in this one. Very pretty. And some more baskets. They have all kinds of options to choose from, guys. Really good. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap the video here. I really hope you enjoyed coming along to IKEA with me so I could share with you my top 11 items to purchase. I use all of these things on a daily basis and can say nothing but good things. So if you guys like this video concept, then give me a big thumbs up so I know and I can do more videos like this in the future. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram and follow me over there and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.